I just came back home, and the first thing right now I did was just to set up my recording gear and immediately sit for this reaction because the hype is real. So, let's go. Please select your preferred language from the audio option. I'm going to be watching this in Malayalam with subtitles. Okay, I'm ready. I am so ready. Ghost Town, okay.
എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരിക്കൽ നിനക്ക് ചുറ്റുമുള്ളതൊക്കെ തകർന്നു എന്ന് തോന്നിയാൽ അന്ന് അച്ഛനില്ലെങ്കിൽ നിനക്ക് സഹായം ചോദിച്ചില്ല.
Oh man, his statue is now nobody cares, huh?
യുദ്ധം നന്മയും തിന്മയും തമ്മിലല്ല,
That's a good shot.
തിന്മയും തിന്മയും തമ്മിലാണ്. He is the most powerful mercenary group in Asia.
This is so exciting, guys. Seriously.
ലോകത്ത് എല്ലായിടത്തും അവരുടെ പ്രസൻസ് ഉണ്ട്.
Sir, we have the entire Kabuka Carter and the Croatia Brown Nexus in one place.
Hmm.
This is our chance to reinvent.
ആരാണ് ഈ സ്റ്റീഫൻ നെടുമ്പ്? ഹിന്ദുക്കൾക്ക് ഇവൻ മഹിരാവ്, ഇസ്ലാമിൽ അവൻ ഇബ്ലീസ്, ക്രിസ്ത്യാനികൾക്കിടയിൽ അവൻ ഒരു പേര്
Lucifer!
ലൂസിഫർ.
I knew it! With the L, yes. Oh my god.
ഖുറൈശി, ഖുറാ.
Ooh.
I hate those ones. Look at it.
Okay.
This deal is with the devil.
Overlord.
बस एक इशारा भाईजान, बस
Prithviraj?
इंतजार रहेगा. खुदा हाफिज.
Deepak Dev. Guys, book my seat right there. I am already I'm virtually booking my seat for the first day first show already. Oh my god, now because of this. Okay, let me stop this. Let me stop first. Firstly, consider my ticket booked virtually already. I know advance bookings are not open, but consider them booked already. That's first thing. Second thing is that even if they don't release a trailer, I don't care. I'm still watching it. Like, the hype is already there. This is enough. This is already enough. Though I would love to have more promo material, but this is the perfect time to release this teaser. And I think February we just get one trailer, and March we get the film. If there are any songs, obviously maybe one promo song. That's it. I think Prithviraj. Anyway, what am I saying? Prithviraj is a genius. He has a phenomenal business mind. So I'm pretty sure he knows what he's doing. But I feel that the minimal exposure to this film, create that scarcity marketing, that we have only breadcrumbs given to us, and because of which we flock to the theater when it releases. So I think that is good enough. I actually am waiting for the interviews. Prithviraj and Mohanlal together, an interview, especially with DR. I'm actually waiting for that. Okay, let's talk about now the teaser. Let's start with the music. Loved it. Just the song which is playing. I don't know if it's part of a song or it's just curated for this particular teaser, but I really, really enjoyed it because it's the kind of music which is not too loud in your ears, but it still gives you that really larger than life kind of feel because it starts off slow. It has this haunting kind of feeling because that female vocalist, whoever was singing, so that gives it a very haunting feeling, and then it builds up, and yes, deal with the devil. The moment he said for the Christians his name is Lucifer, I knew that was coming. The moment I saw for Hindu he's called this, for Islam, I was like, yeah, wait, we are gonna get the name Lucifer. So that was was a good guess. I pride myself at, guessing accurately. Not all the time, but at least most of the time. So that's one thing. So the music, the build up, then after the dialogue says Lucifer, there's a whole shift in the music, which I liked, because that's where you're creating the hype, right? So I think the transition in the music was amazing. That's one thing. Second, the visuals. Man, Prithvi Raj is going all out. He is going freaking all out. He is not leaving, because like looking at the teaser and the visuals only, I can see he is not leaving any stone unturned. He's not leaving any stone unturned, because boy oh boy, are we in for a visual treat here. Are we in for a visual treat? Because couple of shots were just incredible, where I am guessing that is Manju Warrior, the lady whose back was shown, and that whole tree was getting like burning. What a stunning visual. In fact, that's one which is completely coming in my mind. Second is obviously where Lalita is saying this is the deal with the devil, and he's just firing that gun. I'm like, I am so hyped for this. Third visual, which I really liked, again, in the beginning when Tomino's backside is shown, they are not showing their faces, obviously, but he's looking at Ramdas's photo, right? So that is another really good visual. And when his statue, it's all littered on, so nobody's taking care of his statue. So I loved all of this. Like, there's so many great visuals here in terms of the way the storytelling in this teaser has been done. And then you see that, okay, this whole cartel is here, the whole Abram Qureshi nexus is here in that one place, so we should all go in. And so there's going to be a huge action set piece there. So this is larger than life. Prithvi Raj, like I said, is going all out with this amazing production and the visual storytelling, along with just creating this larger than life world. And it has to be created that way, because in Lucifer we understand how big of a deal Abram Qureshi is. So if it's not translated that way, the way it is being shown in the teaser, then it won't make sense. So this makes complete sense to me. It's not like, okay, they've got the budget and that's why they're doing this. No, because Abram Qureshi as a character is this big deal. He is superbly powerful. So obviously it makes sense that when we are going into the second film, and then the whole focus now is on Abram Qureshi, it goes much larger than life than the first one. So yes, I am very happy to see this. And obviously we saw Lalita's glimpse and in the end Prithvi Raj's glimpse, but Tomino and Manju Warrior, we didn't see them because they're backside. We kind of saw them, but not their face. But it's okay, that's what I'm saying. The more you keep it hidden, the better. And I think we'll get a more elaborate trailer, but this is only, as a teaser, it's 2.5 minutes. Maybe the trailer will be like maybe a minute longer. But even if it's not there also, even if the trailer is not existing right now, I am still very satisfied. Like, this was amazing. This was a very well edited teaser also, because you see that from the beginning to end there's a whole storytelling which is there in this teaser. So I loved. Yes, we need this epic Mohanlal comeback. We need this. And I think, my god, I am just imagining right now the box office opening. Yeah, and in the beginning when the trailer got over, I was saying, because it was releasing in multiple languages. Here in the Northern Belt, now because this is getting dubbed in Hindi, the Hindi dub will get more screens here than the original Malayalam one. Now I am hoping that I get to see the Malayalam show only with subtitles, so that's fingers crossed, because what happens is usually when it is also releasing in Hindi, then the original film, they will not have the subtitles. So I hope that Prithvi Raj has prepared all of that. Yes, he's taken into account everything. For non-Malayalam speakers also who want to watch this film in Malayalam with subtitles, I hope that provision is there. But I am so freaking satisfied. It's like I had a very, very satisfactory 3-course meal. We were all waiting for this. We got what we were waiting for, because I can understand from their perspective, also from the filmmaker's perspective, what kind of pressure they are in to deliver a good teaser and a good trailer. So they have definitely delivered. Yes, they have served us. We got served. So that was the reaction. I am really happy. Like, my smile is not leaving my face. nice, and rightly so. I'm very, very happy to see Mohanlal, Lalita. He looks amazing as usual. This role is just on him. Absolutely perfect. So yes, that was it. That was the reaction. I've blabbed enough. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here. And I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.